Imagine a tiny rabbit so small and fragile, hopping around a village, but this little creature is about to change the lives of 10,000 people. Sounds impossible, right? But sometimes small things can create the big change. Hello, friends. Today I want to share a story, true story that will inspire you. It is about hope, hard work, and the power of mindset. This story shows how something as small as a rabbit can make a huge difference, not just for one person but for thousands. It is also a perfect way to practice English listening while learning about motivation. Once in a poor village, families struggled to earn enough to eat. People worked long hours but could barely pay for school, food, or medicine. Most of them felt hopeless. Dreams seemed impossible. Then one day, a farmer noticed tiny rabbits in his backyard. He thought they were useless and even annoying at first, but he remembered something his grandfather once said. Sometimes small things carry big opportunities. He started to study other rabbits. He learned how to feed them, care for them, and even breed them. Slowly, the rabbits multiplied. Soon, the farmer had more rabbits than he could count. Here's where things changed. Instead of keeping all the rabbits for himself, he shared them with neighbors. People were skeptical at first. Rabbits? How can these tiny animals help us? They asked. But he taught them everything: how to raise rabbits, feed them, and sell them in the market. Families who had nothing started earning money. Children went to school. Families bought food and medicine. The village slowly began to grow stronger. From one small idea, hundreds of families changed their lives, and soon the ripple effect reached over 10,000 people. A simple, tiny rabbit became a symbol of hope. So, dear friends, what can we learn from this story? First, never underestimate small things. A small action, a simple idea, or even a tiny habit can create huge results over time. Second, mindset matters. The farmer could have ignored the rabbits, but he saw opportunity instead of obstacles. A positive, open mind can turn challenges into possibilities. Third, sharing knowledge is powerful. Change grows when you help others succeed, not just yourself. This story reminds us that success is rarely instant. It takes patience, care, and consistent effort. Tiny steps every day can lead to giant results. Remember, even small actions can make a big impact. Like the tiny rabbits, your small efforts, kindness, or ideas might change not only your life but also the lives of thousands around you. So don't wait for a perfect moment. Start with what you have. Take small steps, keep learning, and share your knowledge with others. If this story inspired you, remember to stay motivated, keep improving, and believe in your potential. Thank you for listening and keep practicing your English with stories that teach, inspire, and motivate.